In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello with Zoom, a seamless integration to enhance your project management workflow. Let's dive right into it and get you set up in just a few easy steps. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and navigate to marketplace.zoom.us. This site is the Zoom app marketplace where you can find various apps to enhance your Zoom experience. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Trello. This will help us find the Trello app integration quickly among the many available options. After typing Trello into the search box, hit enter and you should see Trello in the search results list. Click on the Trello app to proceed. This will take you to the Trello app's dedicated page on the Zoom marketplace, where you will see more details about what the integration offers and how it can benefit your project management needs. Next, look for the Add button on the app page and click it. By doing so, you're initiating the process of adding Trello as an integrated app within your Zoom environment. Now, a prompt will appear asking you to authorize this app connection. Simply click Allow to grant the necessary permissions for this integration to be successful. Once you've allowed access, a new prompt will come up asking you to open Zoom meetings. Go ahead and follow this instruction. Opening Zoom meetings is essential for syncing both platforms successfully, as it prepares the necessary connections between your Trello boards and your Zoom account. Now switch over to Trello. In the chat option on Trello, type the keyword help. Typing help can bring up options and further assistive instructions provided by the Trello bot, guiding you more effectively in using this new integration. Following that, type connect in the chat. This crucial step initiates the process of linking your Trello account with your Zoom account directly. After typing connect, look for the option that says connect to your Trello account and click on it. This action directs you to a linking page where you can confirm the connection between your Trello account and Zoom. Click on connect, ensuring both platforms are linked securely. Finally, you may receive one more prompt asking for permission to authorize this binding completely. Click allow once again to finalize the integration of Trello with Zoom. And there you have it, the two systems are now connected. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected Trello with Zoom, allowing you to manage projects efficiently while conducting your meetings seamlessly. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities that this integration offers in optimizing your project management processes. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day exploring this new synergy.